In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an audiobook on ElevenLabs. This process is straightforward and can be a lot of fun, especially if you're looking to turn your written work into an engaging audio experience. Let's walk through the steps together so you can get started on your audiobook project. First, you'll want to head over to the ElevenLabs homepage. Once you're there, look to the left side of the page where you'll find a menu. Here, you'll want to click on More Tools. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these, you'll see an option for audiobooks. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're on the audiobooks page, you'll see a button labeled Create Audiobook. Click on it to begin the process of crafting your very own audiobook. At this point, you have two options for adding your content. You can either upload a file directly from your device or choose to import a URL if your content is hosted online. Pick the method that works best for your situation. Once your content is successfully uploaded or imported, it's time to choose your preferred voice. ElevenLabs offers a variety of voice options, so take a moment to browse through and select the one that you feel best suits the tone and style of your book. After you've made your selection, click on Create Audiobook to proceed. Next, you'll want to focus on the Voices section. Clicking here allows you to explore further customization options for the voice you've chosen. This is where you can adjust settings to ensure the voice aligns perfectly with the mood and intent of your audiobook. Afterward, you'll see an option to highlight. This feature lets you emphasize certain parts of your text, which can be particularly useful for drawing attention to key sections or adding dramatic flair. Once you've made your highlights, you're ready to move forward. Finally, with everything set and customized to your liking, click on Create Audiobook one last time. This action will initiate the final process of converting your text into a fully fledged audiobook. And that's it! You've successfully created an audiobook using ElevenLabs. Remember, the key to a great audiobook is not just in the words, but in how they're delivered. So, take your time to experiment with different voices and settings until you find the perfect match for your project. Thanks for watching, and happy audiobook creating!